Hey, let's talk about something sneaky that's attacking your body right now. Did you know 1 in 7 adults in the US has kidney disease, but 90% have no clue? Yeah, it's like a silent ninja striking your kidneys, and by the time you notice symptoms like fatigue or swelling, it might be too late. But don't panic. Today, our marshmallow buddy shares an epic hydration fail that left him parched and panicking, and 5 science-backed hacks to keep your kidneys happy, from easy hydration tricks to kidney-friendly snacks. The Mayo Clinic says poor hydration and bad diet can lead to kidney stones or chronic disease, affecting millions due to high sodium and low water intake. Left unchecked, it escalates to serious issues like dialysis or worse. Yikes. But I've been there, forgetting water after salty binges, and these hacks are lifesavers for busy 25-year-olds juggling work and life. If you've ever felt bloated after chips or tired from soda, this is your wake-up call. Stick around for the embarrassing story and a fun challenge to boost your kidney health. Let's dive in. So buckle up for my heart health fail story. It's a wild, stress-filled adventure. A couple of weeks ago, I had this massive work project due, and it felt like a quest against an evil deadline dragon. I thought, I got this. Caffeine sword and determination shield will slay it. I set up my fortress desk, laptop as my command center, notes like battle plans, and an energy drink potion to power up. I'm like, this quest will be legendary. But 5 minutes in, I'm distracted by social media side quests. Boom, half an hour lost in meme mazes. Suddenly, stress monsters start attacking and my heart is pounding like a war drum trying to escape the castle. I try to fight back with a calming walk but end up pacing in circles like a trapped knight, chomping on salty chips as my secret weapon. Crunch, crunch, turning my fortress into a salt dungeon. Before I know it, the whole bag's gone and my blood pressure's skyrocketing like fireworks. Then, during a Zoom battle call with my boss, I'm so stressed I forget to mute and roar at my cat minion. Total embarrassment. The dragon wins that round. Mayo Clinic says stress unleashes cortisol beasts that can damage your heart over time, leading to hypertension and other villains. I even summoned a yoga spell to chill, but tripped over my mat and face-planted into a green paint explosion of defeat. Ouch. My forehead had a bruise badge for days. And don't get me started on the all-night email siege. My heart was racing like it wanted to desert the quest. Ignoring stress is like inviting the dragon to dinner, a major heart mistake. But every quest has a twist. Let's grab our hacks and defeat it. Stick with me for 5 tips to keep your heart happy and stress-free. Okay, you've heard my stress meltdown disaster. Now let's upgrade your heart health with 5 science-backed hacks, like turning your body into a heart hero on a quest against villains like inflammation and high blood pressure. These come from experts like the Mayo Clinic, perfect for busy folks like us. No crazy gym plans or weird diets needed. Let's transform my chaotic fails into your 2025 superpowers. Hack 1. Activate your antioxidant shield with heart-smart foods like berries, spinach, and salmon. These are packed with antioxidants and omega-3s that fight inflammation like a force field. Yum. The Mayo Clinic says they cut heart disease risk by 20% by lowering cholesterol and protecting your heart's engine from damage. I tried a spinach smoothie, but spilled it all over my shirt. What if I had a villain explosion instead? Start small. Toss some blueberries into your breakfast yogurt for an easy upgrade. Hack 2. Unlock your movement force field. Get 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Walking, jogging, or dancing counts. Get that heart pumping to blast away risks. Experts note regular movement lowers blood pressure and slashes stroke risk by 25%, keeping your heart's rhythm steady like a superhero cape. I tried a morning jog but tripped over a curb. Classic marshmallow move. What if it was a villain trap? No gym? Take a brisk walk during lunch. Apps like Strava make it fun. Hack 3. Summon your calm aura with deep breathing or mindfulness. Stress spikes cortisol, harming your heart like an invisible villain. Just I ignored it and had meltdowns. Bad idea. Try a 5-minute breathing exercise. Apps like Headspace are lifesavers. Hack 4. Deflect the alcohol villain. Limit to 1 drink a day max. Too much booze raises blood pressure and heart strain, sneaking in damage over time. I overdid it at a party once. Hangover City. Swap for water with lemon. Tastes fancy. Hack 5. Recharge your heart shield with 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. Poor sleep ups heart disease risk by 20% by messing with blood pressure like a sneaky saboteur. I pulled all-nighters, but now I set alarms. Dim lights, no screens an hour before bed, and you'll wake up ready to rock. There you have it. 5 heart health hacks to keep your ticker strong in 2025. Alright, you've got my stress meltdown fails and 5 awesome heart health hacks. Now it's your turn to join the fun. Let's make this a party. Drop your worst stress fail in the comments below. Ever panic eaten a whole bag of chips before a deadline like me? Or maybe you sent your boss a typo-filled email that screamed "help me" vibes. I read every comment and I'll shout out the best ones in my next video, so spill your story. Here's a couple of fake comments to get you going. Yo, I stress ate a pizza during a work call, sauce on my shirt and everything. Been there, buddy. My shirt's a snack canvas too. Another one says, I tried meditating to chill but fell asleep and drooled on my desk. Okay, I feel that. My drool game's strong too. Your stories make me feel less like a stressed out marshmallow, so share them below. Now, here's a challenge to kickstart your heart health in 2025. For the next 3 days, try one hack, like eating a handful of blueberries or doing a 5-minute breathing exercise. Small changes like these can cut heart disease risk by 10 to 15% over time. Pretty sweet deal. Post your progress in the comments with hashtag HeartHealthChallenge. I'll be your hype squad, cheering you on. Just don't be like me and spill your smoothie everywhere, okay? If you laughed at my keyboard faceplant or learned a heart hack, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Tomorrow, we're diving back into weight loss with more epic fails and fixes. Get ready. Thanks for watching, you amazing folks. Let's keep our hearts strong and stress low. Catch you tomorrow. Peace out.